Okay, class, today we'll be learning about normal distribution, okay?
Yeah.
On a question from last night's homework, it said, Professor Hart assumes that exam scores are normally distributed and wants to grade on the curve. The mean score was 58 with a standard deviation of 16. Part A, if she wants 14% of the students to receive an A, find the minimum score to receive an A. So we'll focus on part A for now, okay? So we'll write our mean score, which was 58. And our standard deviation, which was 16.
Should we be taking notes?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
If we look at this graphically,
Teacher,
it'll be something like this.
can you move a little bit over to the side? Can't see the board.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So she wants 14% of the students to receive an A, right?
Yeah.
So this would be this part right here, which is 14, right?
Okay, wait. Let me catch up.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we need to find the probability that the sum value of Z is greater than some value of C, which has to equal 0.14, right? Okay, so in order to look at our table, we don't want the 14, we actually want the 36%. Okay?
Why the 36?
Because this half equals 50, so 36 plus 14 is
That's
50.
50.
Okay?
Okay.
All
Can
right.
you slow down a little bit?
Oh, yes. Do you guys have any questions?
No, I just want to copy what's on the board.
Okay. So after we have this, we have to find on our table, as you can see in Appendix F,
Yep.
we have to find the number closest to 0.36. Okay? I made a little part, well, half of the table here. So we have to find the number that's closest to 0.36, which it will be this number right here, 0.3599. Okay? And how we read that, we will go 1.1, 1.0 plus 0.08, which is 1.08. So that's going to be the value of C. Okay?
Okay.
Now we go back. And I will erase this. Well, we can do it here. So our C is going to be 1.08. Correct? Okay. So now we're going to do our normal distribution formula, which is Z equals X minus your mean score, which is 58, divided by your standard deviation, which is 16, equal to our C value, which is 1.08. We do a little algebra here, so it'll be X minus 58 equals 16 times 1.08, which it'll be 17.28. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Okay. Correct?
Are we going to test over this?
Yes.
No.
Then you add the 58. Okay. So I'm going to move this to the side, okay? So our X will equal approximately 75.28. So in order for Professor Hart, for the students to receive an A, they have to have a minimum score of at least 75%. Okay?
Okay.
So that's part A. Now,
75%?
yes, that'll be the answer. Now we're going to look at part B, which it reads, if she wants 19% of the students to receive a B, find the minimum score to receive a B. Okay? So basically going to do the same thing. Except that this time we're going to find the probability that the value of Z is less than the value of C, equal to 0.19, because she wants the 19%. If we look at this graphically, she wants the minimum, it would actually be on this side. This will be your 19. Okay? But if, with this graph, it will be the same, the opposite. So we can actually be looking at this side too, which would be 19. But remember, we don't want the 19, we actually want the 31%, which will add up to 50. Okay? So after that, we have to find C, and we look at our table again that's closest to 0.31. Okay? So we go back here, and we find the one that's closest to 3.1, which it will be this one right here, 0.3106. Now, can you guys explain to me how you guys can read the chart and find the value of C?
You
Remember that I told you?
The side one and the top one, and just go down.
Yes, so it'll be 0.88.
8, yeah.
Correct. So that will be our value for C. Okay? So, since it's asking the minimum, this would actually be the probability the value of Z is greater than negative C, which equals 0.19. So we did that, and to find C will be negative C equals 0.88, which is the same thing as C equals negative 0.88.
Teacher?
Yes?
She has a question.
Okay, can you repeat again how you get, like, back when the 0.88?
Okay.
How do you get that?
Okay, we go back to our table because we have to find a number closest to 0.31, correct? So we go back, and what number from here is closest to 0.31?
0.8?
Well, yes, it will be 0.8, but how you read it, you go 0.8 plus where the number is, which
So
is
you go to the top.
0.08, and you add them.
Oh.
So it'll be 0.88.
Oh, okay.
So
now
that's
I
what we
get
got,
it.
0.8.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. So now that we have the value C, we use our normal distribution formula, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so let me write this again. C equals negative 0.88, right? Okay.
Yep.
So our formula is Z equals X minus your, do you guys remember? Your mean score, which is 58.
Oh, yeah.
Divided by your standard deviation, which is 16, equals to negative 0.88.
This is high school math.
Yes. So to find x, it'll be x minus 58 equals, remember? What do you do to find x?
Oh, you multiply.
16 times,
8.
correct? Do you guys know what that is?
Yeah.
Did you guys get negative 14.08?
Yep.
Okay. Negative 14.08. So now you add the 58.
To get x alone.
Yes, to both sides.
And x will equal.
So our x will equal 43.92.
Do we round them or no?
Well, on the calculator it was exactly 43.92. But
we wouldn't
to
minus
find the
44?
answer, well, you could. But to find the answer, then yes, you would round it as a whole.
Okay.
So then, for our students to get a B, they must receive a minimum score of 44%. Okay?
Yeah.
And that's how to find normal distribution.
Okay.
All right, any questions?
Nope. Do we have homework?
We do.
Oh my god.